Let me show you how to send and unsend a doodle drawing in Instagram chat. This is a brand new feature on Instagram, so if you haven't already, update to the latest version. Now, this is a fairly new feature, so you need to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram on here because it's only included if you've updated it recently. So just go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update it if it's available. Now, within the Instagram app, we need to get to your messages and start a conversation with somebody. Now, a brand new feature is that you can start to draw or send a doodle, and it's in that little plus icon here. We can go through the process of initiating the drawing feature. Now, on here, I can send something like a really badly drawn heart here. I can change the color here if I wanted to try that again. And now when I'm ready to send that doodle, I can tap on the little send button and you can see it sends it just like this. However, let's say I don't want that on there anymore. I can press and hold on it and I can choose to hit hide all, or I can also just unsend that if I don't want the doodle on there anymore.